Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Today, I will explain the concept of HCF and LCM. So let's start with HCF. HCF is termed as highest common factor. Note down side by side. Highest common factor, and sometimes we will use GCD also for HCF. GCD. So note down side by side. For HCF, we can also use the word GCD, greatest common divisor. So in the examination, sometimes the question is find the HCF, or sometimes you will observe the question find the GCD. It doesn't mean that this question is out of syllabus. GCD word is used for HCF. Same meaning, different name but same meaning. Greatest common divisor. Now the question is find the HCF of 140 and 220. This is the question. Now, to solve this sum, first of all, I will find out the prime factorization of 140 and 220. Prime factorization. This. Separately. First of all, 140 division in the table of 270. Again, 70 is divisible by 2. Recall the divisibility rules. 35. Now, this 35 is divisible by 5. 7, and after that we have 7, 1. So this is the prime factorization of 140. Similarly, find out the prime factorization of 220. This method is not known as LCM method. No. What is the name of this method? This method is known as the prime factorization method. So 2, 110. Again on 2, we have 55. Then on 5, 11, and after that on 11, 1. So the name of this method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Why the name is prime factorization? Because we are using prime numbers here. Now, write down 140, last step. 140. 140 is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiplied by 7. And you will show this prime factorization in fair. This is your fair work, not your rough work. Similarly, write down 220. 2 multiply 5 multiply 11. Now, highest common factor. Highest common factor. Common factor. We have already done the concept of common. What is the meaning of common? Common means present in both the numbers. On the basis of this common factor and common multiple, I have sent one video to you. Common means present in both the numbers. So check 2 present in 140, 2 present in 220. So this 2 is common. So right here. Similarly, again, 2 present in 140, 2 present in 220. Again, we will write here 2. Then 5. So 4 multiplied 5 is equal to 20. So what is the highest common factor? The highest common factor of 140 and 220 is 20. So this is the way to solve, way to find HCF. And what is the name of this method? This method in which you will find out the prime factorization of 140 and 220 separately. This method is known as prime factorization method. And this method you have already done in detail in class 5th also. Write down. After that, after writing this, send message we have done. Next is the concept of LCM. LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Now the question is, find the LCM of 24, 60 and 75. This is the question. Find LCM of 24, 60 and 75. To find LCM, we have 2-3 methods, different methods. But we prefer the method in which you will take all the 3 numbers together. This. Like this. Whenever we will find out the HCF, then we will use prime factorization method in which you will find out the prime factors of all the numbers separately. But to find the LCM, we prefer this method, and the name of this method is common division method. The name of in which you will take all the numbers together. The method is, what is the name of this method? Common division method. Common division method. Using primes. Using primes. The name of in which you will put all the numbers together. Then this method is not the prime factorization method. The method is common division method using primes. So Jalashveer, listen to this concept very carefully. This is the difference between prime factorization or common division method. Prime factorization means find out the prime factors of all the numbers separately. But when you are find out the prime factors together, this method is common division method. The name of this method is not prime factorization method. The name of this method is common division method using primes. Now start. First of all, in the table of, yes, no, Harmeet, no need to write the name of method in exam, but the knowledge is compulsory. You have to know what is the meaning of prime factorization and what is the meaning of common division method. No need to write the name. First of all, division by 2. 12, 30, 75. 75 is not divisible by 2. So 75 you will continue as it is. Okay. After that, again division by 2. Again division by 2. 6, 15, 75. Again division by 2. 3, 15, 75. Why we repeat 15 here and why we repeat 75 here? Because 15 and 75 both are not divisible by 2. So if any number is not divisible, then continue as it is. After that, division by 3. 1, 5, 25, then by 5. 1, 1, 5, and in the end we have 1, 1, 1. So multiply to LCM. Now we will find out the LCM. This method is not the LCM. This method is common division method. Now we will find the LCM using this method. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiplied by 5. And after multiplication, Chitesh, your answer is incorrect. 600 is the result, not 300. Yes, very good, Gaurish and Devang. 600. So this is the difference of name. आप क्या कहते हो? आप इसको LCM कहते हो. LCM निकाल रहे हैं. This is not the LCM. This is the prime factorization using common division. This is the LCM. Whenever in the end you will multiply to get some answer, then this method, this multiplication and getting result is known as finding LCM. This is not the LCM. This is the method. Which method? Common division method. So the knowledge of name is very much compulsory. After that, I am going to discuss very important points with you. That points are very important whenever you will sum, whenever you will solve the sum from the exercise 3.7. Okay. So listen all the concepts very carefully. Number 1. Note down these important points in your fair notebook also. Okay. Number 1. LCM is always divisible by HCF of given numbers. Of given numbers. This is our rule number 1. LCM is always divisible by HCF. This is rule number 1. It means whenever you will divide LCM by the HCF in the same question is not different, same question. Whenever you will divide the LCM by the HCF, remainder always 0. This thing is very important. Come to the second very important formula. LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to number 1 multiplied by number 2. LCM into HCF, number 1 into number 2 is also called as product of numbers. Product of numbers. Okay. Number 3. Highest common factor means factor. Highest common factor divides the given number. Divides the given numbers. Least common multiple itself. Least common multiple itself divisible by given numbers. These two rules are very important. Very important. In the statement sums. In the statement sums, read your question very carefully. What is given? If the statement given is divides the given number, then you will find out the HCF. But if the question is divisible by given numbers, divisible by given numbers, it means the question is based on LCM, because LCM itself divisible by given numbers. For the verification of each and every rule, we will solve the sums. Okay. Now come to the first rule, explanation of first rule. Yes, Himanshi, on your video. Himanshi, on your video. Yes, tell me. Yes, Himanshi, what are you writing in the chat box again and again? Yes, look here. Question is find
Class नहीं class नहीं कोई जरूरत नहीं बेटे क्लास लगाने
find LCM and HCF of 2 and 6 and verify this result. Now start. First of all, HCF. Find HCF. 2, then 6. So what is the HCF here? 2 is equal to 2, 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. What is HCF? 2. Now find out the LCM. LCM. To find the LCM, we will put all the numbers together. 2, 6 together. LCM is 6. HCF is 2 and LCM is 6. Now tell me, check this rule. This rule is applicable or not here? Tell me. LCM is divisible by HCF. Yes, tell me. Write down in the chat box. Very good. Yes. Gaurish, Savya, Devang, Anmol, well done. LCM divided by HCF. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this rule is not applicable only here. Not only applicable here. Applicable in each and every question of LCM and HCF. This is very, very important rule. LCM is always divisible by HCF. Okay. So this is the rule number 1. Very important rule. Now come to the next. The next question is, yes, write down the next question. Second question. Yes, no, Nehal. The LCM and HCF of two numbers is, no, Nehal, tell me yes. Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me why you raised hand. You have any doubt?
मैम गलती से हो गया होगा.
Don't disturb the class. गलती से कुछ नहीं होता. स्क्रीन को टच करोगे तभी होगा. The LCM and HCF of two numbers is of two numbers is 30 and 15. If one number is 10, find the other number. This is the question. Find the other number, find the another number, find the second number. Okay, so let's start. First of all, write down given information. Given. What is given? LCM and HCF. It means the LCM and HCF of two numbers is 30 and 15. It means 30 is the LCM and HCF is equal to 15. If one number is, number 1 is given to you, number 1. Then number 2 is question mark. Now apply the formula of relation LCM into HCF is equal to number 1 multiplied by number 2. Apply this formula. If the question is based on HCF and LCM together, then you will apply this formula. Okay. Now put the value. What is LCM? 30. What is HCF? 15. What is number 1? 10. Number 2. Now 30 multiplied by 15. 30 multiplied by 15, 450. 10 multiplied by number 2. Now to find, now next step I am writing here. To find number 2, you will shift this pen to the left hand side. And when you will shift, this multiplication will change to division. So 450 divided by 10. Number 2. So the result is 45. So this is the way to solve the sum if the question is based on LCM and HCF together. When LCM and HCF together given, then you will apply this formula. LCM into HCF is equal to number 1 multiplied by number 2. So this is very, very important formula. Okay. Note down this formula, as this formula is not given in your book. This is not in your book. So note down this formula very, very carefully. After that, come to the (3.6) exercise. Second question. Exercise 3.6, question number 2. Find the HCF of A part, two consecutive numbers. Two consecutive numbers. Now write down in the chat box what is the meaning of consecutive numbers. Consecutive. Yes, very good. In a row, one after the another. Now start solving this question with the help of example. And tell me what is the HCF. Better write down in the chat box the ID on the name of Varun, 7th A class. Varun is the ID of which child? 7th A class. Let two numbers are 6 and 7. Anmol Singh, HCF 6. I am talking about HCF and the question is two consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one another, one and second number. One number after the one another number, one after the other number. This is 6 and one number after 7. These are consecutive numbers. And the question is based on HCF, highest common factor. Now, find the highest common factor. 6. 7 is a prime number. So 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. 7 is 7. So highest common factor is 1. This is the result. So in the result, you will write two consecutive numbers. HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1 always. Always 1. This is standard result. Check by taking any number. जरूरी नहीं है आपने 6 और 7 से ही करना है, जिस मर्जी नंबर से कर लो. Always you will get HCF is equal to 1. So HCF of two consecutive number is 1 always. And these kind of numbers in which highest common factor is 1 is also known as co-prime numbers. If HCF is 1, then the numbers are co-prime. Then the numbers are known as co-prime numbers if the HCF is equal to 1. You can also solve the sum based on co-prime number by this method. One is the method of factors and second is this method to check that number are co-prime or not. Now come to the B part. B part is even numbers. Two consecutive even numbers. Very good, Ananya. Well done. Consecutive even numbers. Even numbers are multiple of 2. What are even numbers? Even numbers are multiple of 2. So let the numbers be 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 6 and 8, 8 and 10. Take any two number, your wish, no compulsion. 2, 4 consecutive, 4, 6 consecutive, 6, 8 consecutive. As a condition, don't take 2 with 6. Do not take 2 and 6 because 2 and 6 are not consecutive. These are not consecutive. As the question is consecutive, so take consecutive numbers. Okay? Consecutive means one after the another. So start finding LCM, HCM. Yes, Itza?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have doubt in exercise 3.6 second का A part. मैम लाइक आफ्टर मैम लाइक हमने जैसे इन दोनों का HCF निकाला तो फिर आपने वहाँ पे HCF लिखा हुआ है 1, तो मैम 1 कैसे आया?
क्यों? जब कुछ भी नहीं होता तो 1 होता है. वहाँ पे कोई नंबर कॉमन नहीं ना मैम. वहाँ पे कोई नंबर कॉमन आ रहा है?
यस.
आ रहा है?
नो मैम.
So if nothing then 1.
नो मैम.
Nothing means 1.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है? Nothing जब कुछ नहीं होता तो हम किसको
Yes.
यूज करते हैं? 1 को यूज करते हैं. It means 1. Okay? Harmanpreet.
थैंक यू मैम.
Yes. Yes, Harmanpreet.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we find the HCF by division method?
बिल्कुल 100%. We have method. हम LCM भी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से कर सकते हैं, HCF भी डिवीजन से कर सकते हैं, पर वो डिफरेंट मेथड है. तो मैं सारे मेथड बेटा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रही क्योंकि फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. 100% वी आर फाइंडिंग.
मैम वो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ही जो वो डिवीजन की रोज बनती है नीचे नीचे.
हाँ जी, दोनों अलग मेथड है. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन बोलते हैं अलग अलग करना. 100% कर सकते हो. अगर आपको आता है तो कर लो. मैं यहाँ पे सारे मेथड नहीं डिस्कस करूंगी, नहीं तो कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स. ओके?
ओके मैम.
अगर आपको आता है तो 100% करें. हाँ जी, डेफिनेटली वी विल फाइंड.
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके?
थैंक यू मैम.
Now let the numbers be 2 and 4. 2, 1, then 4. So what is HCF? 2 is 2 and 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. So HCF is 2. So in the result you will write, HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. This is standard result. Take any two consecutive numbers, even numbers. Always you will get the HCF is equal to 2. Always take any numbers. This is standard result. This method in which you will take numbers separately, this method is known as prime factorization method. Okay. Now come to the third part. What about odd numbers? Solve by yourself and tell me the result of odd numbers. Two consecutive odd numbers. I am waiting for your responses. Solve the sum. Tell me the HCF. C part is two consecutive odd numbers. Find HCF and tell me what is the result. I am waiting for your responses. Gaurish,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
explain how. Explain. You are writing
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the yes, tell me. I am writing side by
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
Yes.
यस मैम मैंने जो ऑड नंबर्स लिए हैं वो है 3 और 5.
Okay. Let
फिर मैंने मैम
wait. Let me write. Let two numbers are 3 and 5 according to you. Yes, tell me next.
यस मैम देन मैम फिर मैंने उनका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से उनके पहले प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाले.
Very good. The prime factorization of 3 is 3. 3
Three,
is
yes,
3.
ma'am.
Okay. The prime factorization
Yes.
of 5 is 5.
5.
Why the prime factorization of 3 is 3 and 5 is 5? What is the reason?
मैम because they both are prime numbers.
Very good.
They are both
Because
prime
3 and 5 both are prime numbers. Yes.
prime
Now,
numbers.
what is the HCF?
मैम HCF is 1.
Yes. Why 1?
मैम बिकॉज मैम इन दोनों में मैम कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, मतलब कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. तो आपने बोला कि अगर दोनों में कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होता तो HCF 1 ही होता है.
Well done. Yes. Very good. Because if no factor is common, then you will write common factor is equal to 1. So this
1.
is the result. Very good response. Well done. So in the result, you will write HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1 always. So this is the standard result.